Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Here in this question, we need to find what will be the energy absorbed by the inductor in first 4 seconds. Just look into the statement given in the question. Figure shows the waveform of the current passing through an inductor of resistance 1 ohm and inductance of what, 2 Henry. What is saying? Inductor consists of resistance as well as what, inductance. Means it is a practical inductor. Its internal resistance is also indicated 1 ohm and its inductance is what, 2 Henry. What will be the energy absorbed by the inductor? Means this is a complete inductor is saying, okay, right? What will be the energy absorbed by the inductor in first 4 seconds? But if you look into the waveform, given information about what current passing through this inductor. So current expression you can find, okay. So I of t is changing from 0 to 2 as well as 2 to 4 like this. So look at here how to write equation for current through this inductor. Here 0 to 2, if you look at that, follow with coordinate method 0 comma 0 and this is what 2 comma 6, right? So x1 y1 x2 y2, you can use that equation y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is what x1 y1 and this is what x2 y2. With this equation you can write the equation for what current, especially from 0 to 2 only. Y-axis is what, current I of t, minus y1 is what, 0, which is equal to y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 0 by x2 minus x1 means 2 minus 0 into x-axis is what, time, t minus 0. Simplify further, I of t is equal to, we get 3t. It is in between what, 0 to 2 only. This is the equation for current in between 0 to 2. But again after that 2 to 4, even beyond that. But anyway, question is, our intention is to find energy absorbed by the inductor in first 4 seconds only. So after 2 to 4 means in between 2 to 4 current is what, constant. How much it is? 6 amperes only. What is the equation? 6 amperes, okay, in between 2 to 4. This is the equation we got from the waveform. Now energy absorbed by the inductor, okay. Energy absorbed by the inductor means there is a difference, okay, right? It consists of resistance as well as what, inductance. Resistance definitely dissipate the what, energy, whereas inductor what, stores that. Combination of both gives the what, energy absorbed by the inductor. Now I am dealing with what, energy absorbed by the inductor, but it consists of what, energy stored by the inductor means inductance part, energy dissipated by the resistance part, okay. So first I am calculating what, energy stored because of the what, inductance part. Anyway, he is asking up to that what, first 4 seconds I am taking, okay, 0 to 4. We know that expression, okay, for energy calculation for inductor. What is that energy calculation for inductor? Integral 0 to t L into I of t into di by dt concept, okay. We are not doing any magic here, okay. Inductance L di by dt is what, voltage across inductor. Voltage into current gives what, power we are integrating with what, with respect to time, that gives what, energy only, okay. Voltage across inductor is what, L di by dt, multiplying with what, current will give power when you integrate with respect to time, that gives what, energy only. Same expression I am using here. 0 to 4 inductance value is how much indicated, 2 Henry. What is the current? Current is changing, okay, right? from 0 to 2 as well as what 2 to 4. So I am separating the what limits here. 0 to 2, what is the current? 3t is there. Okay, L into I of t. D by dt of what is the current? 3t. Again integration. Now 2 to 4, if you take 2 to 4, what is the inductance value is same, but current is what? 6 amperes into d by dt of what is the current? 2 to 4, 6 amperes. After this we need to do integration. Constant differentiation is what? 0. So here there won't be any energy stored by this what inductor in between 2 to 4 because current is what? Constant. But here in between 0 to 2 only we have that quantity. So simplify this 0 to 2, 2 into 3t, d by dt of 3t means 3 only will come. So 3 into 3 into 2 means 9 into 2, 18, t dt will come. Do the integration. T means t square by 2, limits are 0 to 2. Simplify. 2 square means 4 by 2, 2. Overall will get what? 36 joules. This is what? Energy stored, that is only because of inductance part. Okay, if question is about only what will be the energy stored by the inductor means we'll choose what? 36 joules only. But question is what? Energy absorbed by the inductor means inductor consists of resistance as well as what? Inductance. We only calculate up to inductance part. Next, when we follow with the resistance part, how to find resistance part? Integral 0 to t. Okay, current we know. How to find power calculation? I square into R concept. I square into R will give the what? Power consumption in the resistance. If you integrate that, we'll get the what? Energy. I square into R into dt. But again current is changing from 0 to 2, 2 to 4. Okay, inductor consists of resistance and inductance, both are carrying same amount of current. 0 to 2, what is the current here? 3t. 3t square into what is the resistance given? Only 1 ohm into dt plus 2 to 4, what is the current? 6 amperes. 6 square into 1 ohm. Do this integration, what we get? 9 into 3 square means 9. T square is there. If you do the integration, we will get what? T cube by 3. Limits are 0 to 2. Okay, these are basic integration operations. So I am explaining in this fashion, right? So 3 square means 9. T square, if you do integration, T cube by 3. And again I am following with the limits also. 36 is there. Constant means T will come. So 36 into T will come. Limits I am choosing what? 2 to 4 as it is what we have. Now substitute 3 times 3. Again 2 cube minus 0 means 2 cube means 8. 8 into 3, 24 we will get. Here 36 into 4 minus 2 means 36 into 2, 72 will come. So combine these two, will get what? 96 joules. It is what? Energy dissipated because of internal resistance of the inductor. But the question is what? Energy absorbed means you have to count both. Okay, because it consists of internal resistance as well as what? Even inductor. If you deal with both, okay, if you deal with both, that is our answer. Energy absorbed which is equal to, okay, stored part is how much here? 36 joules. Dissipated one is what? 96. Combine both, 132 joules is what? Energy absorbed by the what? Inductor. That is our right answer. Suppose if question is only what is the energy stored by the inductor means 36 joules we need to choose. What is energy dissipated by the inductor means the 96 joules you need to choose. But question is what? Energy absorbed by the inductor in first 4 seconds. So you need to count both. Because of that, answer must be what? 132 joules. This is our right answer.